Hello, my name is Mike, and I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot login issues with the Magnus Box application once you've installed it. So, in this example, I have my login username here, and I'm going to go ahead and type in the wrong password. And hit sign in. And on the prompt, it's going to say couldn't log in. So instead of hitting OK, you're going to want to hit the Show Details button, and it will tell you exactly why you couldn't log in. So for this one here, it says invalid authentication. So at this point, I would check to see if the username or password was invalid or if the account's been set up on your server yet. Now, another issue that could be causing this is that if you were using the demo software on this computer, you're going to want to make sure you click Show Advanced Options and verify the URL of the server that you're trying to log into. So by default, our demo server is at app.magnusbox.com. You're going to want to make sure that if you have a white label server or a branded server, that this says your subdomain at yourdomain.com. If you have any questions regarding this, though, please feel free to reach out to support at magnusbox.com. Thank you.